In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust voice in Pictory. So if you're ready to dive into the world of AI-assisted video editing, sit back, relax, and follow along. First things first, we'll need to head over to Pictory's website. This platform is famously known for its video editing capabilities, making content creation a breeze, even for beginners. Once you're there, look for the option to continue with Google, which is a handy feature that streamlines the sign-in process. No need to remember another password, just use your Google account and you'll be in. After you've clicked that button, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Make sure you're choosing the right one, especially if you have multiple accounts. This choice is crucial, as it will determine where your projects are stored and how you can access them in the future. Once you've logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Projects section. This is where all your video projects are organized and stored. A well-maintained project hub not only keeps you organized, but allows you easier access to edit at any time. In the Projects area, you'll see an array of your current works. Here, focus on the specific project you wish to edit. Each project has an Options button, commonly shown as 3 dots. This symbol is your gateway to a range of actions you can take with that particular project. Click on those dots and it will reveal a drop-down menu where one of the options will be to Edit Project. This is exactly what we want, so go ahead and click it. Now that we're in the editing interface, direct your attention to the Audio section. Within this tab, there are various audio adjustments you can make, but today we're focusing on the speed control. The speed control button will allow you to adjust the pace of your audio, enabling you to sync it seamlessly with your video footage. Click on this button and you'll see a slider that lets you adjust the speed to your liking. This tool is incredibly valuable for tailoring your audio to match the mood or pace of your video content. Once you've selected your desired speed, the next step is crucial: generating the voiceover. By clicking on this option, Pictory will process your adjustments and create a voiceover tailored to your specified settings. And that's it! You've successfully adjusted the voice in Pictory. Make sure to save your work, and now you're ready to review the changes. With these simple steps, you can elevate your video's production quality, making it more engaging for your audience. Thank you for joining in, and happy editing.